Yeah. Rich, James, bitch, got it.
You already know what time it is. It's your boy Rich James, and I'm back at it again with another tabletop review unboxing for y'all today. As y'all can see, bow right here. I got a big red dot for y'all to see today. This is a Vortex Sparc red dot. It's really nice. It's got a lot of features on it. It's shockproof, waterproof. It's got a really high recoil rating on it. So this thing is going to be great for, it's fog proof. It's got a very long battery on it. It's going to be great for, rapid firing and shooting a lot, and it's going to stay accurate. And as you see, we open this box up right here. We got a little panther right here. A little panther. And we'll show you a little directions and whatnot. We don't need all of that. I'm saying got a lens cleaner right here. And I really shout out to Vertex. They package everything up nice and well. They wrap everything, so you gotta shout them out for that. Let's see what we got here. Get you guys a close up. Yep. So this is it right here. It's real nice. It actually comes with this cover. You don't have to have the cover on there if you don't want it, but it's there. So really nice red dot right here. All right, let's see what all I think we got. This is the base plate that it sits on to mount onto your AR-15. Go over here, it's that base plate. See what else it comes with. Then you got your Allen wrench. It looks like just the screws to get her all tightened up and assembled. And then last but not least, looks like we got a battery in here. I think this is let's see if I can get it to focus. AAA battery. Nice little battery. Like I said, they wrap everything, so it's nice and warm. And then I think we have a second base plate. I'm not sure if I need both of them to install it, but this is another base plate. Let's see if we got anything underneath. Oh, that's it. But yeah, I will get this bad boy all mounted up on the AR, and you will be able to see real soon. And I'll probably take it out to the range, so I'll have another video for you guys. This is just a little bit of some details for you guys, specifics and features and stuff, so you guys can see that. Check that out. But this is Rich James. I'm out. I'm about to get this bad boy installed. Deuces.